What's up? Two claps up and a Ric Flair. Woo! Listen, right now we are living in a digital revolution. No matter if you're a seasoned online vet looking to level up and scale your business, or you're growing a team, or you're still deciding on your first online offer. No matter where you're at in your online business, you should find mentorship and a coach showing you the way. So I attended a workshop today, and it was an absolute home run or a hat trick, since the guy who's hosting it is Canadian. But they covered things like vision, right message to market, identifying your ideal client, discovering your business core values. Many of the issues that business owners struggle with, they covered. Now, I will say that I was taken aback at the 6-hour time frame when I first signed up. But it was an awesome investment of my time. I can go back and watch Jack Ryan season 4 after this, right? So in this workshop, like I said, we are learning skills that are going to serve us for life. So if you're looking to break through that online noise and create that attraction marketing, and have people come asking you about your offer and growing your business, I'd be happy to share some of the things I learned in the workshop. It was definitely the place to be. And listening to the leaders there, I can tell that there is so much more to come. So the revolution, as I say, they say the revolution will not be televised, but it will be streamed across your favorite platform. I don't know if you can see that picture over there with Muhammad Ali and Sonny Liston, and it kind of sums things up about this digital revolution. There's Ali over there making it happen. There's Liston falling, getting knocked out, wondering what happened. And then there's the audience who's watching what happened. So what part of this revolution will you be? And listen, I have a PDF. If you'd like this PDF, reach out to me and I'll get that over to you. All right, guys, two claps up and a Ric Flair.